Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card and see what we need to hear. I can shake off everything as I write. My sorrows disappear. My courage is reborn. Anne Frank. Action. Turn to your journal in the moment of need. Writing down your thoughts and feelings will help you work through them in your own space. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's try this one today. Open yourself to the present. Live in the here and now. Receive the gift this moment holds for you. Affirmation. I enjoy my life moment by moment. There is nothing wrong with you. Appreciate your uniqueness. You are wonderful just the way you are. Affirmation. I love and accept myself unconditionally. Number 22. I am aligned. You are in possession of incredible creative powers, and it is assured that you can achieve anything you wish. They ask me why I shine so bright. This is what happens when scars turn to light. Soul and mind working together create a dream in the heart. You have nothing to lose. You carry the dream. Your intention is pure. Be ready to receive. You belong to you. Instead of pleasing others to fit in, simply be your most authentic self. Don't let anyone talk you into doing something that's not for you. Affirmation. I am myself without compromise. And the last one today. I trust this universe. I trust this earth. I trust my soul. I trust my body. I trust the wisdom of my heart. All right, thanks for stopping by.